I'm Ben with Karl Chevrolet, and we are very excited about this vehicle. This is the new 2021 Tahoe. There's some features on this with an all-new redesign that are amazing, and I'm really excited to show it with you today. Redesigned front with LED headlights and taillights. We have multiple wheel options available. On the High Country, comes standard with 22-inch wheels and magnetic ride control, along with an independent front and rear suspension, just to really focus on safety, stability, and a comfortable ride. The 2021 Tahoe comes with 3 available engine options: a 5.3-liter V8, a 3-liter diesel, or standard in High Country, a 6.2-liter V8 engine. Coming around the back, we have available quad exhaust that is standard on both Premier and High Country. And right here, we have your trailer hitch. Now, it's covered by the factory, but you can pop that off and attach your trailer ball, and you have available 7,500 pounds of towing. Inside, there's an available 122.9 cubic feet of space, which you get by first lowering the seats. And not only can you lower the third row, but you can also lower the second from right back here, giving you that 122.9 cubic feet of space. Now, along the side here, we also have power raising and lowering side rails that are equipped with LED lights so you can always see when you're going to take that step. That's been it for the exterior. Now I'm going to send it over to Ceylon for the interior.
Hi folks, now we're on the inside. My name's Ceylon, and I'm going to be showing you all about the new screen and features here on the inside of the 2021 Tahoe. This particular model is going to be our High Country. So we're going to go left to right to make this real simple. Starting off here, you're going to have our new drivetrain selection. It's push button. So park, pull for reverse, push for neutral, pull for drive. Down here, we're going to have our low button, which allows us to select which gear we want by using the left or minus and plus arrows. Moving on to the center here, we're going to have our new 10.2-inch display. This is awesome. It's going to use the new Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay system, which is really fancy. We just press this. There's no cords hooked up to my phone. It just connects over the Bluetooth and pulls up everything that we need to see. Here we do have a new slot for our sunglasses. It's got a nice real felt type material in there, and then we can close it up if we don't need to be, if we don't want to see what's going on in there. Up top, we're going to have a few of our new buttons as well. It's basically a new layout, but we do have these 2 buttons here which allow us to fold the second row of seats here. Just makes it real convenient, especially if you're trying to help kids get into the back seats. In front of that, you're still going to have your home link system just as before, but now towards the front here, we're going to have our new panoramic sunroof here. So if we press this little button here, it'll automatically start going for us. This is going to be an awesome feature, especially for road trips. If you're driving late at night, it'll help keep the kids entertained with the stars. Continuing on with all the charger ports inside the vehicle is going to be equipped with a total of 8 chargers. The front 4 here, which 2 are located in the glove box here, and then 2 are located up front here in the dash next to the wireless charging pad. These will all allow you to transfer data to the screen. However, the back 4, which are located right behind the seat here, and then all the way in the back for the 3rd row, those will just be fast chargers there and allow everyone to stay entertained as we drive. Moving on to the back here, we are going to have folding seats. So if we pull the back lever, that allows us to drop the seat down, which creates a nice flat space once the back is folded down. Then if we do need to get some kids to the back, we can simply roll it up like this by pulling the same lever again. This is an all-new feature for the 2021 Tahoe. In order to bring it back out, we simply push it down, pull it up, and it goes right back into place. If you need to adjust where it's at, we pull the front lever. That will allow us to adjust it back about 5.5 inches. Moving on to the inside here, we're going to have a whole new cluster of buttons. So something that's new is we're going to now have an electronic parking brake. It's the same as before. We push it to set it, to deactivate it, put your foot on the brake, and press it in again. Otherwise, here we're going to have all of our safety features from lane keep assist, park assist sensors, descent control. We all new featured auto stop start, as well as the switch for the 110-volt power outlet in the bed or in the back of the vehicle here. Also new is going to be the heads-up display with all the adjustment buttons right here. Down below that, we have our all-new drivetrain selector with 2 high auto, 4 high, and 4 low. Below that, if we twist this, this gives us the options for off-road, sport, touring, and normal. Next to that, automatic headlights and our electronic trailer brake controller just on the inside there. All right, folks, that's all. Come check out the new 2021 Tahoe. They're great riding vehicles, and we hope to see you soon. Stay safe out there.